Let's take a look at some important dates. The online registration starts on 18th June to 8th July. The prelims exam would be conducted on August. The online main examination would be conducted on September. The psychometric test and interview and group exercises would be on October, November, and the declaration of the final result would be on November, December. So let's take a look at the vacancies this year. As I mentioned, last year it was just 541 and that has changed to 1500, which is a jump of about 3 times which it was last year. So it is now a very good opportunity for serious banking aspirants to apply. Now, going to emoluments, the basic pay for SBI PO is 48,480 and the approximate CTC would be an approximate of 22 lakhs. Moving on to the most important topic, the eligibility criteria. The age limit as on 1st April should be between 21 and 30 years with the relaxation for certain categories. Now coming to academic qualification, you must be a graduate in any of the disciplines from a recognized university, and you can also apply if you're a final year student, subject to conditions that at the time of the interview, you must provide proof that you have graduated from a recognized university. Now, for number of chances, for general category and EWS, the number of chances has moved up to 6 attempts, and for OBC and PW categories, it is a total of 9 chances. For SC, ST candidates, there are no restrictions. Now for the selection procedure, there are a total of 3 phases. In phase 1 preliminary exam, there are a total of 100 questions for 100 marks with a duration of 1 hour. For the mains exam, it is a total of 230 marks. It is divided into objective and descriptive paper. For objective paper, there are 170 questions for 200 marks with a duration of 3 hours. For descriptive paper, there is a total of 3 questions for 30 marks for a duration of 30 minutes. That is how the 230 marking scheme comes together. Now, phase 3 includes the psychometric test, that is personality profiling of the candidate. And then we go to group exercises, which group exercise would constitute about 20 marks, interview 30 marks with a total of 50 marks. Now, let's take a look at the cutoff trends of previous year. For prelims, it was as follows. Last year, it was 66 marks for general category. This is the one for mains. Last year, for general category, the cutoff was 75 marks. And the rest you can see as follows. This is the syllabus for English, where there will be questions from vocabulary, grammar, and reading comprehension and skimming. For reasoning, there will be questions from puzzle types, miscellaneous topics, and seating arrangement. For quants, there will be questions from speed maths, arithmetic topics, and data interpretation. For general awareness, there will be questions from banking awareness, current affairs, and static GK. For descriptive paper, as I mentioned before, 3 questions, and that includes topics such as emails, situation analysis, and reports writing. For your successful and timely preparation, IBS provides offline and online classes, study materials, computer lab facility, library facility, our videos on the IBS Vigyan app, recorded classes, and weekly online mock tests. So for more information for admission and other queries, you can contact us on these numbers, and for more informative content, you can subscribe to our channel.